Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do just a regular dip with this 8 by 16-inch canvas. So I will pour my paints on plastic, dip my canvas in and lift it. And I already painted it with the sky blue, no, Maimeri Briliant blue light, and this will be my background color too, and I will use the colors that I used in my last two pours because I love them together, but I need some negative space so they will pop through more, or how can I say, hopefully. So I will just spread the paint around. It's like an icing, a cake or something almost. But I like the consistency of those paints. This is something that it's so relaxing and satisfying for me to feel that paint. I see something here. Okay, so I will start with a little of my pearl white, and I will just drizzle my paints like that. A pearl white is of course for some lacing effects or something, and Amsterdam greenish blue. And Pebeo iridescent blue green. And I will add some pearl white again. Primary cyan. And this Dragonglaze. And some permanent blue violet. And maybe just a drizzle more of pearl white. Okay, now I will dip my canvas on that, and I like to do that with my hands because I think that I feel the paint underneath. I don't know, maybe it's just my feeling, but I like to do that. So and I will try to lift it straight up. I will leave it like it is. Just storage for the air bubbles. And I'm done. Let's see what is left here for my skin. A beautiful thing too, so definitely two beautiful paintings out of it. I will do again video how I use my skins so that you will know that too. So I will say that I'm done. So here is a close-up. I love it because it's so soft with amazing gentle, or how can I say, lacing and cells. And because I know that this there are two butterflies will dry a little darker, I'm even more happy. And this is what it's left on the plastic that can be a painting, or you can transfer your skins to a lot of things, make a jewelry, a lot of things, because there are so many gorgeous things in there. That's why I like dips. So this is it for today. Hope you like it too. I really do. And see you on the next one. Bye.